Hi, my name is Madeline. My research proposal is the use of cognitive behavioral therapy more effective in males or females in smoking cessation? The null hypothesis is that there is no difference in how cognitive behavioral therapy aids in smoking cessation in specific genders, and the hypothesis is that there will be one gender that benefits in smoking cessation using cognitive behavioral therapy. The design that we will be using in this study is pre and post tests. The participants are chosen from a Facebook group dedicated to the town that I'm focusing the study on. They will be recruited from a post asking if anyone who's in the stage of life where they are serious about quitting smoking would like to participate in a research study. There are three main qualifications to move on to the study, and that is that the participants have to be over the age of 18, they have to be current smokers, and they have to not be using any form of smoking deterrents such as patches, lozenges, or prescription medication. From that population, there will be two randomized groups chosen by gender. There will be one group consisting of 20 males and another group consisting of 20 females. And for the purpose of this study, gender is the participants' biological sex, if they were born male or female. There will be two scales used to measure the nicotine dependency in the participants. The first scale is the cigarette dependence scale, and the second one is the Fagerstrom test for nicotine dependence. Since this is a pre- and post-test study, the participants will be given the scales at the start of the study and at the end of the study, which will be 10 weeks later. Both scales touch on when the participants' first cigarette of the day is and how often they smoke. The cigarette dependency scale also goes into how the participant feels about quitting smoking, and that also goes along with the cognitive behavioral therapy aspect of the study because it focuses on triggers and how to cope with the need to smoke and the stressors. And we will be using a t-test to determine the outcomes of both tests. We will compare the means of the answers provided by both groups, and we will determine if the study shows if one gender has a better outcome in smoking cessation over the other gender, or if the null hypothesis is correct and that there is no difference.